Hi friends again. Now that we understand what Flexbox is, let's look at the very first step in using it, creating a Flex container. The Flex container is the parent element where all the Flexbox magic begins. When you apply display to the container, all its direct child elements become Flex items. So this activates a new layout context. The Flex container has two axes, the main axis and the cross axis. By default, the main axis goes from left to right, and the cross axis goes from top to bottom. You can change the direction of the main axis using the flex direction property. Options include route, route reverse, column, and column reverse. Another important property is flex route. By default, all flex items try to stay on a single line, but with flex route, they move to a new line with needed, perfect for responsive layouts, and it's so important in the modern text. You can also use the gap property to create space between the flex items without needing margins. It keeps your layout clean and easy to manage. So we are going to create a container with multiple boxes, and we're going to change the flex durations and flex wrap values. And I showed you the results in the HTML web page file. And I give you a pro tip. Always think in terms of axes when working with Flexbox, main and cross, because most alignment and layout rules depend on them. So that we have the website, you know how to do the Flex container. So grateful. I'm very grateful with you. That's so amazing. You're learning more things in this course, and you will definitely be a good web development designer. So let's go to the next video.